How to install mods in Minecraft. So first make sure that you have Forge downloaded. I have a video on how to download the Forge. So you should check that out before going to this video. So first go to this website called chrisforge.com. So just type in chrisforge.com/Minecraft to bring you right here. So chrisforge is a website for Minecraft mods basically. So as you can see, there are tons of mods that you could pick from, and you could also search on mods that you want. So let's say I want iron chest mod. So this will pop up too, as you can see. So let's say I want this one. But you could also filter the mod loaders that you use. So for this video, we're going to use Forge, of course. So just set it to Forge, and I pick the ones that you want. So I'm just going to pick this one. Once you're there, you just simply need to pick the game version right here. So I'm going to pick 1.20.1. You could pick yours differently depending on what game version you want. But once you're there, it will bring you right here to the downloads where you could just simply download it. So this one has the latest update, which is 14.4.4. So just simply click on it. And once you're there, it will bring you right here, and you just simply need to click on download right here. And just wait for it to load. And this will pop up. So just save it to your downloads. And once that's done, exit out of your browser. Now just move the file that we downloaded earlier to your desktop so that we have easier access. I'm just going to put it right there, and now what you want to do is open up your Windows menu, then type in run. So open up the run command right here, or just simply click on Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open this up. And what you want to do now is just type in percentage, app data percentage, just like this. Then just simply click on OK. Once it's done, it will bring you right here to these folders, and just simply find the .minecraft folder right here. Double click on it to open it, then scroll down, then go to mods. Now once you're there, as you can see, I have tons of mods already, but what you want to do is just simply get the mod that we put on our desktop earlier and just move it right here to this folder. And once it's done, you can just exit out and open up Minecraft again. So just make sure that you pick Forge version right here. Once it's done, just simply click on play and wait for it to load and open. Now as you can see, I already have Minecraft open, and when I go to options, or mods rather, as you can see, I now have the iron chest mod loaded right there. Now I'm just going to open up Minecraft to show you guys that it works. And when I search it up, as you can see, I search for iron, and we have the iron chest right here, which is the mod that we downloaded. And I put it right there. As you can see, we now have it right there. And that's how I basically install mods in Minecraft.